National Weather Service in Upton, New York, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Passaic County, New Jersey until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:30 Eastern Standard Time, trained weather spotters reported a severe thunderstorm. This storm was located over West Milford and was moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include, but are not limited to, West Milford, Ringwood, Bloomingdale, Wannock, Pompton Lakes, Wayne, Howden, North Howden, Prospect Park, Tatoa. Hail to the size of baseballs and cloud-to-ground lightning can be expected from this storm. Stay indoors until this storm has passed.